Americans haven't always been privy to the wonders of bidets, but around the world, they've been a mainstream bathroom fixture and a necessary part of grooming for centuries. Recently, however, they have risen in popularity here. Once you try one out, you may never want to go back to toilet paper alone. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best bidet attachments of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Bio Bidet by Bemis Toilet Seat. For a bidet that delivers on luxury, look no further than the Bemis Bio Bidet BB 1000 Supreme Bidet Seat. With a host of features that create a spa-like experience, this electric bidet seat is a top-tier pick for those willing to shell out a little extra cash for a premium experience. During setup, we found that the instructions were very clear and the process went seamlessly, only taking around 5 to 10 minutes to install. However, it's important to consider that all electric bidets require a nearby outlet in order to operate. As we used this bidet, we found that it took a bit of trial and error in order to find the spray strength and nozzle direction that worked for us, but some experimentation tends to be standard when trying out new bidets. Actually controlling the bidet's multitude of functions, though, was extremely straightforward given the user-friendly remote control. We were impressed by just how extensive the BB 1000 Supreme Bidet seat's capabilities were, and we absolutely loved the heated toilet seat, drying function, and temperature control. Additional features include adjustable pressure and nozzle position, slow closing lid, eco-friendly mode, and a 3-in-1 nozzle for rear, front, and vortex wash settings. Number 2. Luxe Bidet Bidet Attachment. When it comes to bidets, having more control over the water temperature and pressure can be key to having a pleasant and effective cleaning experience. The Luxe Bidet Neo 320 Plus bidet attachment is designed with a dial and lever to control both, which means you can tailor the settings to your preferences. During installation, we found the given setup directions to be a bit confusing and had to refer to an instructional video to help us out. Once we did, though, we were able to install the bidet attachment in about 10 minutes. The Neo 320 Plus features a slide-in installation that's compatible with most toilet seats, eliminating the need to remove the toilet seat during setup. The bidet's controls were uncomplicated and easy to navigate, as the unit is equipped with a lever that adjusts the water temperature and pressure, as well as a mode selection knob for rear and front wash options. However, note that although the bidet attachment was installed correctly, the control panel was situated uncomfortably close to the toilet to the point where it poked our tester when she sat down. So despite the easy adjustability of the Neo 320 Plus, its design may not be suitable for all body types. Number 3. American Standard Aquawash Seat. Whether you don't have an accessible outlet near your toilet or just want a simple bidet with basic functionality, the American Standard 5900A05G.020 Aquawash non-electric bidet seat is our favorite non-electric pick that's both effective and sleek. We found the setup to be simple and quick, as the unit came with a helpful stencil that helped us figure out how and where to place the seat. While this bidet has fewer frills than most, it also doesn't require anything other than a clean water tank connection. Of all the control systems we tested, this one may have been the simplest to operate with just a manual lever that adjusts the spray volume. In addition, this bidet also includes self-cleaning dual nozzles for front and rear washing as well as a convenient slow-close lid. And although its list of features ends there, this is a great pick for those who prefer a more modest option. We like the product because of its simplicity, as there's just a lever that clicks when it's in the off position, so you don't have to worry about leaving the water running. Our tester, who was a first-time bidet user. Number 4. Toto Washlet Bidet Seat. The Toto electronic bidet toilet has an abundance of deluxe capabilities, providing an extremely adjustable and personalized experience for anyone who uses it. The setup of the bidet was fairly simple, considering just how many bells and whistles it has, and we were able to have the bidet seat up and running in under 20 minutes. However, on some toilets, this model may look a bit bulky if it doesn't fit perfectly. The Toto toilet offers a control panel with large, straightforward buttons that are clearly labeled so you know exactly what's coming. You can tailor just about every setting to your liking, including the pressure, spray position, and the temperatures of the seat, water, and dryer. The model provides 3 spray settings for even more customization: rear, soft rear, and front wash. In addition, the bidet seat offers oscillating features, an energy saver option, and wand cleaning. We were impressed with just how well each function worked, and we loved how clean it left us. If you're picky about your bidets, the Toto is definitely worth the splurge since every little detail can be adjusted to your personal preferences. Number 5. Alpha JX Bidet Toilet Seat. For anyone with an elongated toilet, the Alpha Bidet JX Elongated Bidet Toilet Seat is our favorite compatible model of all the options we tested. We found some parts of the installation process to be somewhat difficult at times, as some instructions were unclear and confusing. Additionally, we noticed that the T-valve didn't attach well to the supply line, so we had to resort to using plumber's tape to secure them to one another. Despite some setbacks, the entire process took around 20 to 30 minutes to complete, and ultimately, its luxurious features made up for the somewhat frustrating installation process. This remote-controlled model offers front and rear wash options, nozzle oscillation, air drying mode, a built-in nightlight, and a self-cleaning nozzle. Additionally, you can easily adjust the seat, water, and drying temperatures to your liking. We appreciate that the remote is very easy to understand and use, as the labeling on the buttons is easy to figure out without referring to the instructions. Our testers' 6- and 8-year-old kids even figured out how to use it. Overall, this bidet seat worked well, and we loved how quickly this electric model heated up the water. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.